Dear publishers and writers, are you looking for ways to get more sales for your books in this age of technology? So we have brought you a great idea which will help you to increase your sales. For this we have brought your PDF2Sell app demo. Features for users, in which the user can read the PDF book as a sample. The user can go to any page he wants by writing the page number. The user can start reading the book from where he had read the book on opening the app again. If the user wants to buy the hard copy, he can buy from you through WhatsApp. User can browse books in categories. User can also search books. Features for publishers. Every book will be marketed. Will be able to get traffic to the website. Will be able to build direct customer relationship. Can generate revenue through in-app ads. Can also place their own advertisements to inform the user. You can engage the user through push notification. Can see full app report. Admin can have full app control through the panel. Visit to see the admin panel and demo of the application. PDF2Sell.Baigsapp.com. You can contact us to get a free quotation or to find out the best price.